we're 7 miles from Cape Canaveral.
Going over a big bridge.
What's the name of the bridge? The river.
It's the Indian River.
Indian River. And we're headed to Cape Canaveral Public Library.
Yep.
Because Chris is presenting there today on your lecture, which is called
Steel Rails to Sunshine State.
Mm-hmm.
And it's the story of how Henry Flagler, the business magnate of the 19th century, was involved in Standard Oil. It was kind of a retirement project. It ended up being a 30-year project, taking millions of dollars and years to complete, but he built the railroad from Jacksonville all the way to Key West.
Yep, that's impressive. And most of it got knocked down in a hurricane.
Yeah.
And you can see the remnants of it if you've ever been down the major highway, which I don't even know the name of.
95 goes all the way down.
But they have a special name for that highway going down to Key West. If anybody knows the name of it, I don't know either.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful. I've been on it once.
Remember when we went down? We went down in the middle of summer.
Mm-hmm. In a convertible.
Right. And we got to Key West, walked around, got to see Ernest Hemingway's house. That was really cool.
Yes, absolutely. And all his cats.
Yeah, cats all over the place, and they're all related to like one cat that he has.
Yes, that's right.
One or two cats.
I forgot about
or
that.
something like that.
Those cruise ships fascinate me. They're how big they are and just float.
I didn't realize it was a big port over here.
No, I didn't either until we did some research on what was down here, and I thought it was fascinating that you could watch the cruise ship go by and see a rocket take off.
Yeah.
I
I guess they've got one ready to go up called the Artemis II, which, from what I've read, is they're gonna do a dry run and shoot some astronauts out, and they're gonna go around the moon and come back. You believe that? Yeah.
Oh, from here? From
Florida? Yeah. It was supposed to be launched the other day, but it was too cold. We've gone through a cold spot, which some things we hadn't planned on. Our pipes froze, actually.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Our pipes did freeze, and being from New England, we really thought that we knew it all.
no, the pipes are outside.
They're outside to where our home in New Hampshire, the pipes were in the basement.
In the basement,
which they were
insulated,
warm.
right? The main.
Look at the size of that ship.
Yeah.
Our cruise ship, right? Oh, here we are.
Wow.
My gosh. The scenery here so far is pretty amazing. Those a whole lot more cruise ships than what I expected I was going to see.
Right.
What's that destination?
The Cape Canaveral Public Library. We're just going to go in and stop. This is where I'm going to be giving a talk later today at 2:30. It's 11:23 right now, so we'll have plenty of time to look around before I get up and take the podium. So I just wanted to go there first, and then we'll probably go out to that beach where you can see the launches.
Yes.
What's the name of that beach? Do you remember?
I don't, but you know what? I'm going to look it up.
Yeah, it's north. Yeah.
It's north.
Oh, there's the City of Cape Canaveral sign.
Nice.
All right.
Turn right on Poinsettia Avenue.
Do you like poinsettias?
I don't put poinsettias in the house because I read that they're poisonous for animals. And
in a quarter of a mile, turn left on Polk Avenue.
2 labs, which you've already met on if you watch my shorts on my YouTube. Lincoln, Josie, and little Kiki, and we have a cat, Chloe, who's going to be 17 years old next month. She don't act 17.
No.
So, no, poinsettias are pretty, but I have the fake ones.
Right.
At Christmas time.
Wow, all these houses here.
Oh.
At one time, this was full of like people working at the Space Center and astronauts.
No, that's really interesting.
And then I guess, after the shuttle, they discontinued the shuttle. People just moved out. But space program's coming back, so.
You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Cape Canaveral.
Yeah. Looks like a nice library.
It's beautiful.
Hmm? Everything's so modern. I'm still getting used to it.
Yeah. We're on North Atlantic Avenue looking for a Wawa's. Oh, here's something to drink on the beach.
Wait a minute. Oh no.
What?
Cumberland Farms?
No way.
In 3/4 of a mile.
Oh my god.
Turn right.
That isn't a Cumberland. I don't see it. Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is. I didn't think they had Cumberland Farms down
There's
here.
Cumberland's here.
Wow.
That's a
Let's
Rhode
go
Island
here.
thing.
Uh-huh.
Oh man. Now that's bringing you back some memories, huh?
I feel like I'm home.
I bet. Oh my gosh. It is, and it's a brand new one too. Wow. We're so excited about having this experience right now because we didn't think we were ever going to see Cumberland's again.
No. I didn't know they had them down here.
Let's go get some Cumberland's coffee.
Yes.
Yes. Are you so excited you found a Cumberland's?
I would go to Cumberland's every morning before going to work.
Yeah.
Cumberland coffee was my staple. My students would make fun of me because they drink Cumberland Farms coffee. But you make it yourself and it's always right.
It's always been a thing for us on Cumberland's coffee, even when we lived in New Hampshire.
Right.
We'd go to the Dunkin' Donuts and they just didn't make it right. And we'd go to Cumberland's and for 99 cents.
Oh, yeah, it used to be. I think it's gone
up to $1.06.
It's gone up, yeah.
Do you know that I met your white cousin in Crystal River? And if you fly west, as the vulture flies, you might find him. Okay? You're welcome.
Right. Where's the casino?
I don't know.
Is that that building?
It looks like a parking garage.
The ship's a casino.
The ship. Well, that makes sense.
Wow. Does it have a paddle wheel on the back? Wow.
You can't really
let me see
it.
Yeah, those
my
containers
goodness.
are blocking it.
And the one behind it's a lot bigger. A casino ship.
Yeah. And look at all these casino buses over here.
Wow. So where do they go and pick them up, I wonder? Where's the bus stop for the Victory Casino Cruises.com?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a cruise. Actually, so as I cut the camera, because I was so excited that the casino cruise is actually really a cruise.
Right, they go out to sea and
because
gamble.
We've seen boats that just sit docked.
Right, that's what I thought. They just sit there and
right, exactly. That's what I thought
have
too.
Casino there. But they actually go out to sea.
But yeah, you get a better view of it right there.
Right.
Casino ship. Is anybody out there been on a casino ship? Let us know in a comment below. That ship looks like a building. Canaveral. Cape Canaveral. Port Canaveral. I thought Cape Canaveral was for spaceships.
Rocket ships. Yeah.
Rocket ships, not cruise ships.
Right.
I didn't have any idea.
Wow.
That is a big ship. Wow.
Okay.
Terminal 1. Well, we're not going on a cruise, but we'll see how far we can get before they throw us out.
Right. Or get stuck someplace.
Look at that. Looks like a building. Like if I zoom in.
Wow.
Like a hotel or something. And the anchor is a nice touch. Look at the size, Chris. Look at that.
How about those cruise ships?
Never seen anything like it.
Yeah.
They were nice. They didn't throw us out. They thought we were going on a cruise. And they're like, you can drop off your luggage here. And I'm all like, no, I just want to see the cruise ship. I've never seen anything that big in my life.
Yeah, we kind of drove into the wrong place and had to find our way out.
And we did.
Yeah.
And the time was cut short because now we have to head back to the library because Chris is going to set up for his presentation on Flagler. Which is quite interesting. I listened to him. rehearse.
Right, I've been rehearsing. This is the first one I've done. I am doing.
Yeah.
So I'm always nervous.
Yeah, he is,
And,
but it doesn't last
yeah.
long because he's kick butt.
Yeah.
Or I can go kick ass and beep it.
It all depends on how much you rehearse it.
In 0.2 miles.
Some of
turn
these
left,
talks I've been doing
then
for
turn right on
over
Poinsettia
30
Avenue.
years, and they're like second nature. The new ones are tough because I have to rely on
Turn
my
left
notes a
on
lot.
Tyler Avenue. Then turn right on Poinsettia Avenue.
Back into the area where the astronauts used to live
Right.
many years ago.
Yeah, they used to live all over this area. Well, Major Nelson, right? From My Dream of
Yeah,
Jeannie.
I know who he is. I get where you're going.
Yeah, didn't they? They used to show their house in the
Yeah.
show. It was kind of a little ranch house.
I looked
wasn't
it up. I didn't realize that I Dream of Jeannie wasn't filmed here, and it was filmed in the studio because I was like, oh, I was thinking I was going to go see sets and stuff like that, or the house
Yeah.
that they lived in.
Nah.
But no, it was in a studio, and
It's like the Brady Bunch. They show the exterior of the
Yeah.
house, and plus most of it took place in our bottle, didn't it?
Turn right on Poinsettia Avenue.
they should have
Then
a
turn
bottle
left
here
on
at
Hook
least.
Avenue.
Something other than just a street sign
Right.
in her memorial plaque, whatever.
Yeah, I
they got
think
out
we
there.
should petition for a Barbara Eden statue.
Yeah, you think we can get a petition
Turn
together?
left on
Yeah,
Hook
yeah,
Avenue.
let's do that.
Well, here we are. We're at the library.
We're back at the library. We're a couple
Time
streets.
to-
Oh, right here. I thought we were
Time
farther
to set
away.
up.
All right.
Here we are. This is familiar territory to me. Going in lectures and
Yeah.
meeting all the people is fun, but every time in my past I was sitting underneath pine trees. Today I'm
Right.
under palm
Palm
trees.
trees.
A little different, but
And-
so acceptable. I like the warmth.
And I always get to these places way too early, and we end up sitting in the parking lot. But you know, it's good.
Looking at our phones or drinking coffee.
And drinking coffee, right?
Let the show begin. Yes.
Racing through the night lights, can't stop this endless beat. Hearts racing to the rhythm, dancing into the beat.
I'm so excited that y'all are here because we do actually have a presenter today. I don't have a presenter with 30 seconds notice. Alrighty, so glad y'all are here. Welcome to the Cape Canaveral Library. My name is Madeline. I'm the reference librarian here at the Cape Canaveral Library. And I'm so excited to feature our first Florida History program this year. We have Mr. Chris Daly. He has recently moved down here to Florida from the frigid northern realms. And we're really excited to have him.
Are there any questions, comments? Yes.
Excellent job, Mr. Daly. You had quite a crowd.
Yeah, yeah. I was kind of
Excellent.
nervous first time doing it. But it
Excellent,
seemed to go well.
excellent. It was excellent.
Thank you.
Till the next one. If you want to know what's going on around the city, go to www.capecanaveral.gov. You're welcome. Hope everybody is enjoying everything I've been posting. Just want everyone to come along and enjoy the sights that I see, places that we learn and discover, Chris and I. It's a beautiful world, beautiful country, and beautiful Florida, and beautiful New England. Hey everybody, we're out at the beach. The lecture was a huge success. Oh my goodness. So many people were coming in, and they had to get more chairs, and it was his virgin lecture on Flagler. Excellent job. Anyways, over here at the beach, there's a cruise ship going by, and you could see the
Kennedy Space Center in the distance.
It's just beautiful.
Yeah. Just a beautiful day all around.
And it's the first time we've been to Cape Canaveral. It's just gorgeous.
We're coming back.
Definitely. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. And if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, click that like button, and follow us on our journeys. We got a lot of places to share. Thank you. Bye-bye.